How to create a community group in WhatsApp Business. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can create a community group in your WhatsApp Business app. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app. To do so, go onto this Communities tab, which is under your right-hand side. Then tap on the three-dot icon, or you can just tap on New Community. As you do so, tap on to get started. Give this community a name. You can also customize the welcome message. Once done, tap on this arrow icon on your bottom right. And once you're done, tap onto that group. And if you would like to add members onto this group, you can also tap on Add Members. It will show you the contact list from your contact. Then select any people that you would like to add and type in your welcome message. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case that helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.